Guys, welcome to part 3 of this video. And as I said before, this is the camera itself. It has a little cover here to make sure it does not get damaged during transport. I'm looking at it and it looks like there's no scratches or anything on like that, which is nice to see, because in the past I did buy some stuff and it had scratches on it. So it's nice to see that this one does not. This does not go in there, okay? That is pretty self-explanatory. Let's see. This thing has two little buttons on there. This clearly goes on here. Oh, okay. I figured something out without reading the instructions. It looks like this will fit in here somehow. And that is a good thing.
Likey